supporting him for? Are you working? Are you the protector now? Eh?
What do you mean I'm the protector?
So what kind of woman are you?
I'm trying to calm you down.
You calm me down. What kind of a woman are you? That he has the right.
Wait, calm down.
Calm down what?
In Canada.
Canada.
Stop.
Canada. You are spoiling the children for me.
How am I spoiling?
Eh? He has the God. His grandmother. I'm trying to come from my grandma. His grandmother.
I have rights.
What? She's only right.
Understand me?
She hit you.
Yeah.
She don't really take it down.
Let me calm down. Understand what
So, my mother hit him.
Your mom hit him.
And
I called the cops. And he called them.
My mom hit him.
He called them.
And he called the cops.
Yes, it's right to do that. I'm not supporting you.
You are not supporting him.
What I'm trying to tell you is that you know how it is here.
No.
You understand?
I don't know how it is. That's not the tradition. Do that.
I'm not saying it's the tradition.
You are spoiling the children for me.
I'm not spoiling
You are spoiling the children for me. And in fact, all of you are going back to Nigeria.
What do you mean?
But you are, I'm sending you to Nigeria. I don't care.
I cannot stay here.
People are living there. People are living there. For me, for this boy to have a man open mouth and go call a police. They kill me for my mama.
Your mom shouldn't hit me.
Come on.
Yeah. And your mom shouldn't, like, she shouldn't have hit me then.
So now what?
I had to call the cops.
You see?
I see what I'm saying. It's because you know how it is here. That he's not safe. He was thinking that he'd be killed.
So, my mama.
I'm not supporting him.
Your grandmother.
Then for the first time, you just talk to your grandmother.
What is wrong with you? That
you should have called the cops on your grandmother. You should have just wait. Let's come back. You explain to us.
Do what?
Then stop. Can you calm down? You are too loud.
I'm so disappointed.
Let's resolve this thing.
I'm so disappointed because all your voice for the children. You don't teach them the culture. You don't teach them the tradition. You don't teach them anything. They are missing so many things.
And you forgot that
look at him.
They will explain them.
Look at him.
They will tell them in school that it is.
You are going to that boarding school in Nigeria.
No, my
God.
Hey, this thing can be.
What's that now? You go to Isukata High School. And he cannot be not in this Canada. For this one, you open your mouth.
Wait, you apologize to your grandmother. Do you
apologize to which?
Yes, now. Can you resolve
for him to be up?
But she hit me. Let's resolve this.
Do you see?
I don't know how.
No,
I don't know how your mom hit him.
Oh.
I don't
know. So my mama had every right to come to you.
Next time, you don't call the cops.
My mama had every right to come to you. You are the right to them.
It's your grandmother.
Yeah, but she didn't have the right to hit me.
I know, but what?
What?
Why would she have the right to hit me?
You know how it is here. You know how it is here. What I'm trying to say is that at least.
You see that how it is? Both you and the children will go Nigeria and know how it is. No, I'm not talking about that. Both you and the children will go there and come there. I'm getting you for a boarding school. If you are living this house, you don't mean you my mama. Don't do that.
Come
for waiting.
Calm down.
Don't get me down.
Know how we resolve this.
The man is having anything. The only resolving is going to Nigeria. He's going to learn.
You apologize to him.
Then he's still going to learn.
You apologize.
No, then he's going to apologize.
What is kidnapping?
Let him go there. If they kidnap, make him go. Make him go.
You'll be happy.
Yes, make him go.
Kidnap your son, you'll be happy.
Make him go.
And he's not going anywhere.
You.
We are going to resolve it. Then after you go upstairs and go and apologize.
You. For this house.
You're not going to do it.
No problem.
Eh? Then you're not going to do it again. Apologize to her. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Or you go and apologize now. Say, Mama, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. If something happens, you wait for your parents. It's not the next thing you carry phone and call cops. As if you are the owner of this house. These children will not put somebody into trouble.